Sound of objects part 1. The word first is aeroplane. Aeroplane sound is zoom. Z-W-M, zoom. The sentence is the aeroplane zoomed in the sky yesterday. The aeroplane zoomed in the sky yesterday. Second one, bells. The sound of bell is ring. The sentence is the peon rang the bell. The peon rang the bell. Third one is clock. The sound of clock is tick. A clock always ticks in its working condition. A clock always ticks in its working condition. Fourth one is doors. The door sound is bang. He banged the door in anger. He banged the door in anger. That's all for this time. Do subscribe to Correct English by Kamal Sir on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you.